Some diesel, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, so let's grab some.
Where did you put our money, honey?
No idea. Do we have any?
No idea. Do we?
Okay. Same.
So we decided to move our bottoms and go outside. So otherwise we will rot at home. We don't want that to happen. Our budget is limited. So it is very limited, I would say, as COVID touched us tremendously, if I may say like that. But we still would like to travel. We still would like to do our thing, and we still would like to explore and have fun and to see what is to do and what is to discover.
£20 lighter.
Today we are going to Cardingmill Valley. We're going to climb up the hill. We are not going to stop on the car park, which is down the hill. And the charge per day for the car park is £5.
We just prefer to go uphill. It's absolutely beautiful. The views are great, and it's free, so it's even better.
So there is few spots in which you can stop, and we're going to show you all of them.
Horses over there.
Oh yeah. Shall we stop over there and
I think
just
yeah,
keep
we
some-
need to.
just make some.
We've got some friends in here. Hello. Yeah. Wow. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Hello. You look absolutely beautiful. going to Devil's Mouth, which is this hill in here, and we are going to climb over there. It's beautiful actually. It's always good to walk a bit. It's so relaxing in here. You can actually spend all day in here, close to the nature. Obviously, if the weather is not that nice or sunny, you might struggle, to be fair, because there is nowhere to hide. There is not much trees and any shelters and stuff like that. So it's more like a very open areas. But yeah, still fantastic. Wow, how beautiful. I've got enough already. It's actually quite Nepal, to be fair. We need the Sherpas.
Oh, our condition sucks. So I can see myself climbing Kilimanjaro. Not without protection. Just
Whoa.
small here. And where is that?
Yeah, there we are. Yeah.
That's the hill.
Okay, I will show you something. We are going there, and there is like a small crossroads, and you can go straight, which is along Mint, the longest path in here. It's about 5 miles, 3 hours or 4 hours, depending how many sandwiches you got. Or you can turn left, and then you will go towards a waterfall, and we're going to the waterfall right now. Jeez, jackass.
This is a
Meh. Finally, some language I understand. Meh.
Oh my god.
What?
Jeez. Hi. We're going to waterfalls.
The walk from the main car park to the waterfall is roughly about 40 minutes. 20 minutes is I would say very easy, fairly flat, but the last 20 minutes it's more challenging. It's definitely uneven surfaces and stuff like that, so it's definitely no for any sort of pram or wheelchair, I would say. Wow.
I lost my balance. So, I'm by waterfall. As you can see, guys, it's not very tall, but tall enough to be an attraction over here. And I'm just enjoying it.